Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone won't stop beeping. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issue from the forum. Has anyone else's Android phone suddenly started making random beeping noises? This started last week, and I haven't changed anything on my phone. Also, my battery is draining incredibly fast. It used to last all day, but now I have to charge it at work. These two issues happened at the same time. It used to be fine. We understand that you might be facing the same problems you encounter here. When you want to know if your Android phone keeps beeping, don't panic. To help you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Too many notifications. The solution is to turn off notifications you don't care about. If your Android phone keeps beeping randomly, it could be caused by apps or notifications on your Android phone. For example, text messages, phone calls, and app notifications can all cause your Android phone to constantly beep. If this is the case, you can go to Settings and turn off unnecessary notifications. This will reduce the number of notifications and prevent you from missing important messages. Cause 2. Software issues. The solution is to restart your Android phone. If your Android phone keeps beeping so often due to a software glitch, the quickest way to fix the problem is to restart your Android phone. Restarting your phone resets all Android apps, so you can try restarting your Android phone to stop it from randomly beeping. To restart your Android phone, press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then, tap the restart icon and wait for the restart to complete. After the restart is complete, use your phone normally to see if the beeping sound persists. Cause 3. Cache or other malfunction. The solution is to reset the device. A cache or unknown malfunction on your Android phone may also cause your Android phone to keep making an alert sound every minute. If the above solutions don't resolve the issue, you may need to perform a full factory reset. Note that a factory reset will delete all data on your Android device, returning it to its factory state. If you have any data on your Android phone, back it up before resetting, otherwise you will lose all data. Next, follow the steps below to reset your Android device. Open your phone's settings, scroll down to find and select System and Updates, select Reset on the new screen, and finally select Reset Phone. After the reset is complete, your Android device may ask you to reactivate your phone. Please follow the prompts. Finally, use your phone normally to see if the Android phone keeps beeping but no notifications issue persists. Cause 4. Hardware issue. The solution is to get hardware repaired. If the Android phone beeping without notifications issue persists after a factory reset, you can turn your attention to the phone's hardware. It's possible that a hardware issue is causing the strange beeping sounds on my Android every few seconds. To resolve this issue, you'll need to take your phone to a nearby repair center for further inspection and repair of the faulty component. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, please leave them in the comments. If it helps you fix your Android phone won't stop beeping, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.